Join me as I challenge myself to learn how to fly like a pro before my next airplane adventure. Did you know? Over 100,000 flights take to the skies every single day, connecting people and places across the globe. That's almost 7,000 flights every hour, a staggering feat of modern engineering and logistics. When it comes to flying, we all want to feel comfortable and confident, right? Well, in this video, I'll be sharing some amazing tips to enhance your next airplane experience so you can fly like a pro and make the most out of your travels. Let's face it, flying can be daunting for many of us. Fear of flying, discomfort during flights, and navigating airport logistics are just a few common challenges we might encounter. For some, even the thought of flying can be overwhelming. Anxiety starts to creep in, and before you know it, you're stuck in a cycle of fear and discomfort. Then there's the issue of staying entertained during long flights, dealing with cramped seats, and navigating through chaotic airports. It's no wonder many of us view flying as a necessary evil rather than an exciting adventure. But it doesn't have to be this way. With a few simple strategies, you can overcome these challenges and start enjoying your flight. Many of us have experienced that feeling of dread as the plane takes off, or the anxiety that comes with navigating through unfamiliar airports. But what if I told you there are ways to minimize these feelings and even turn them into excitement? It's all about being prepared and knowing the right tips and tricks to make your flight a breeze. From relaxation techniques to packing hacks, I'll be sharing my top tips to help you fly like a pro. One of my favorite tips is to choose your seat wisely. Did you know that some seats are better than others when it comes to minimizing turbulence? It's true. By choosing the right seat, you can significantly reduce the impact of turbulence and make your flight a lot more comfortable. Another game changer is packing the right essentials in your carry-on. From noise-canceling headphones to a travel pillow, having the right gear can make all the difference. And let's not forget about relaxation techniques. Deep breathing, meditation, and visualization can all help to calm your nerves and make you feel more relaxed during the flight. But here's the thing, even with all these tips and tricks, there's still one thing that can make or break your flight experience: turbulence. I know it's a scary thought. But what if I told you there's a way to deal with turbulence that's not only effective but also kind of fun? It's all about mindset. Instead of viewing turbulence as a negative experience, try to see it as an adventure. Think of it as a roller coaster ride in the sky. By shifting your perspective, you can turn what would normally be a stressful experience into an exhilarating one. So there you have it, my top tips for flying like a pro. By following these simple strategies, you can turn your next airplane adventure into a comfortable, confident, and even enjoyable experience. Remember, it's all about being prepared, staying relaxed, and having the right mindset. Thanks for watching, and I hope these tips have been helpful in transforming your flying experience. If you have any of your own flying tips, be sure to leave them in the comments below. And if you're new here, consider subscribing for more travel-related videos and tips. Happy flying!